morning, everyone. So this is a very wonderful question and the favorite question of UPSC, geography optional as well as GS paper number 1, which talks about the condition of instability resulting into thunderstorm. So the condition of instability, how it resulting into thunderstorm. The two components are there. So we are first bifurcating that 3 marks belong to the condition of instability and 7 marks belong to the thunderstorm. So whenever we people are writing the answer, something should be there in our mind that is known as structure. Number 1, what we can write in introduction, which is related to geography. Well, in atmosphere, all climatic events are the result of latent heat. तो हमारे इंट्रोडक्शन में latent heat आना चाहिए. Then throughout the atmosphere, there are two type of lapse rate, adiabatic and normal lapse rate or environmental lapse rate. ये आना चाहिए. Then we should talk about the condition of stability or instability. Instability is a condition when adiabatic lapse rate is lesser than normal lapse rate, which is an indication of high latent heat. फिर हमें डायग्राम पता होना चाहिए, स्ट्रक्चर होता है. डायग्राम मशरूम नहीं बनाना है, पकोड़ा नहीं बनाना है. Cloud are first moving vertically, and then when they reach tropopause, they are moving horizontally anvil shape. And that is also not the rectangle or square which you people are forming. And there is a very important mistake which you people are doing. Extensive curve, बहुत सारे कर्व दे देते हो, अरे बड़ा बड़ा बनाओ भाई. क्लाउड में बड़े बड़े कर्व होते हैं और कोई शेप नहीं होता है सच, बस गोभी जैसा शेप दिखना चाहिए बाद में. And that's why the diagram making is very important. Your diagram should look like a books, और आप अपनी तरफ से उसको modify कर देते हो. Then what are the thunderstorm? What is thundering? What is lightning? And what is the consequence? ये हमारा आंसर होना चाहिए. So in a one go, our mind should strike toward the structure. Now here is the structure. In the introduction, we can write 3 words: latent heat, water vapor, and lapse rate. So लिखो the atmosphere and their climatic conditions. The atmosphere and their climatic conditions are the result of water vapor and associated latent heat present in the atmosphere. Associated latent heat present in the atmosphere. Therefore, within the atmosphere, 2 different type of lapse rates are working: normal or environmental lapse rate, normal or environmental lapse rate, normal or environmental lapse rate, and adiabatic lapse rate. Now this is a very simple introduction of 10 marker question. Then directly come to instability. Instability is a condition when normal lapse rate is more than dry adiabatic lapse rate. Instability is a situation where normal lapse rate is more than dry adiabatic lapse rate, and here you can make one overall diagram. Temperature and height. Temperature 30 to 0 पे move कर रहा है, height increase हो रहा है 1 kilometer 2 3 4. Normal lapse rate is receiving 0 degree centigrade at just suppose 5 kilometer, but adiabatic lapse rate is receiving 30 degree or 25 degree temperature at 10 kilometer. This is the indication when normal lapse rate is more than adiabatic lapse rate. ये diagram बना दो. फिर लिखो एक transition line, that this condition of instability resulting into phenomena of tropical cyclones, western disturbances, even thunderstorms. Transition line, even thunderstorm. So after the adiabatic lapse rate and diabatic lapse rate diagram, you can just write the transition line, and now you are making the diagram. Now what is the technicality of the diagram? We are showing the surface. We are showing on the surface low pressure. We are showing on the surface low pressure the convective currents. Then we are making the vertical lines. पहले बड़ा बड़ा, बहुत ज़्यादा खुचुड़ खुचुड़ नहीं, बड़ा. And then because of tropopause, anvil shape. And it is looking like a real cumulonimbus cloud. Then convective currents are moving. Some positive, some negative charge, यानी बहुत सारे बना दिए. And a symbol of lightning. One side hailstorm लिखा है, one side torrential rainfall, दोनों साथ साथ भी होते हैं, hailstorm and torrential rainfall. And the base of the cloud is very near to the surface. So diagram is to show something. It is not an obligation on you कि कुछ भी बना दिया। तो डायग्राम शुड रिप्रेजेंट समथिंग इन अ ब्यूटीफुल मैनर। ट्रोपोपोज दिखना चाहिए, एनुअल शेप दिखना चाहिए, क्लाउड के बड़े बड़े टुकड़े दिखने चाहिए। दैट्स इट। देन व्हाट इज थंडरस्टॉर्म? थंडरस्टॉर्म्स आर द जोन ऑफ लो प्रेशर, लैंग्वेज में लिखेंगे, थंडरस्टॉर्म आर द जोन ऑफ लो प्रेशर जोन where convective currents are making the vertical movement of the cloud, resulted into formation of cumulonimbus cloud with the height of 11 to 12 kilometers, with the height of 11 to 12 kilometers or 11 to 12,000 meters, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो। They are the result of localized conditions. They are the result of localized conditions where the thundering and lightning take place. Where the thundering and lightning take place. First, lightning take place, which release good amount of energy and sudden expansion of the same cloud. And because of the sudden expansion, the cloud suck up good amount of air, resulting into thundering. Gad, 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 gad. PT is, May UPSC is asking the same question in the PT. Why thunderstorming resulting into thundering? Bolo, lightning, heat energy, sudden expansion, good amount of sucking up of air, and the sucking of air is producing the sound. Gad, 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 gad. So this is a thunderstorm. And the same thing resulting into cloud bursting. That means within the hour more than 100 centimeter of the rainfall. So the same event resulting into cloud bursting. Consequences: thunderstorming nowadays causing the problem of flash floods. Example, Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, vis-a-vis landslides. They're also providing the problem of lightning and associated death. But somehow it is providing the relief to the summer heat. But simultaneously they are providing the agriculture destruction. They are providing the agriculture destruction. During the time of climate change, the events of the forming of thunderstorm has been increasing, which further makes more disaster in so many cities in northern and eastern part of India. Jai Hind.